you guys, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I'm going to talk about this superfood that I have been eating and using for myself from last 2 years or something. And I am going to tell you the changes I've felt for my skin, my hair, my body. And let's talk about this in detail. So in case if you're interested, keep on watching. And also if you're new to this channel and watching me for the first time, make sure you subscribe and listen. So we are going to talk about chia seeds today, and we all know how amazing it is. I have already made a video on chia seeds when I started my channel, I believe. And today I'm going to talk about the chia seed that I have been consuming from last 3 or 4 months. I found this randomly, and this is from the brand Disano. And this one retails for 300 rupees for this huge packet, which is going to last you for roughly about 2 to 3 months if you consume it daily. And chia seeds are amazing. Like, they are rich in fibers, protein, omega-3. Chia seeds has multiple benefits. It keeps your metabolism intact, it helps to lose your weight. And I have been eating chia seeds for the past 2 years, but I never made this video. Like, I never talked about it in detail, so I thought, why not talk about it, because it is one of the things we miss. And I have been also using this face mask for my skin, which I found like 2-3 months back. I did not share it earlier because I wanted to test it for some more time before I share my verdict on it. But yeah, I have been really enjoying this face mask. And the face mask that I'm going to talk about today is just so amazing. It brightens up my skin, it calms down my skin, it soothes my skin and makes my skin so soft. So I just take some chia seed, I grind it in the mixer, and I take some curd and mix it together, and I apply it all over my skin and leave it for at least 5 to 7 minutes. Think about the benefits of chia seed. It helps to fight free radicals, and the level of antioxidant that chia seeds had, it helps to fight the free radical. It also soothes inflammation, it strengthens your skin barrier, it hydrates the skin, and it definitely leaves your skin very healthy and glowing. And also mixing it together with curd helps to give this skin a little exfoliation. And curd has lactic acid, but you can also use milk, you can also use aloe juice, you can also use rose water or normal water, however you like your paste to be. But since it's quite thick, it won't be easy to apply on the skin, so please be careful and grind it really well, because it is not going to stick on your skin. So I think mixing it with water won't help. So mix it with something which is thick, so that it has this consistency where it can stay on the skin, you know what I mean. But yes, I have been really enjoying this, and it's quite brightening for my skin. When I use it, I can feel that glow on my skin. So I highly recommend this DIY thing. I usually don't try a lot of DIYs, but this is something that I really like, and I've been using this from 2-3 months, I believe. I found this randomly on internet, and ever since then I am using it. And I highly recommend this. But in case if you are very allergic towards DIY things or any particular ingredient, then I do not recommend using this when your skin barrier is damaged. Otherwise, you can definitely try this, and I highly recommend this, in fact, because I have been really enjoying this particular face mask for myself. Coming to the chia seeds, is very healthy for your health overall. It's rich in omega, fiber, protein, and a lot of amazing nutrients. And chia seed is really helpful if you are trying to lose your weight, because it keeps you full for longer hours, since it it tends to expand its size. And I really like chia seeds. So in my case, I am not someone who can eat it without anything. I put it in my curd or sometimes in my milk, and I let it soak for 2-3 hours, and when it's done, I just drink it. That's how I survive the chia seed, because not everyone is going to like this kind of consistency. But once you try to get yourself comfortable with this food, you are going to realize how huge change it makes to your skin or hair or your overall health. So in case if you're someone who is trying to lose your weight, try chia seed. Add it into a salad or into your smoothies or anything that you eat, something which keeps you full for your breakfast and all that. So try adding this, and you will realize how heavy this is, you know, how filling this is, and this is full of nutrients. I genuinely think that everyone should eat chia seeds, and definitely, you know, when you eat your salad, so just put you some pumpkin seeds and all that, and then put your chia seed in that, and you know, eat it. And also chia seeds has 5 times more protein than milk. So yes, in case if you do not like drinking milk, try eating chia seeds. I highly recommend this. I always like tell you guys to, you know, focus on your food. It's not only that skincare is going to help your skin, but your food matters a lot. So I highly recommend you monitor what you eat, and that is going to help you in a long run. More than 70% of chia seed is made of fiber, so please do not consume it every day, twice or thrice, because it can cause like loose motions and all that. So yes, just use it once, you know, eat it once, and once a week you can also try that exfoliating mask for your skin, and that is going to help you a lot. So I highly recommend you know, eating this chia seed, and this one is particularly that I've been using, so I thought why not introduce this one to you, because you guys keep on asking about the brands what I use for my chia seeds. And yes, I really like this brand, so I'm going to leave the link in the description box for you to check. I do recommend monitor your food, what you eat, for your skin, for your hair, for your health overall. And this is something that I genuinely, you know, want you to try, and want you to eat, and want you to consume for your, you know, health overall. So I hope you find this to be helpful, and let me know if you have any queries or questions in the comments, and I will see you very soon with another video. Till then, please be happy, take care of yourself, and bye.